Since 2019, I've been selling products like this every single day online, from my invention, the SwitchPod, to the merch over at deeppocketmonster.com. And Shopify has been the platform that has made it very easy to set up these businesses, and that's why I'm here, to show you exactly how simple this is to do. Now, if you don't want to sit and watch this video, I'm going to make it very easy and step-by-step, but you'd rather have those instructions sent to your inbox, all you have to do is go to smartpassiveincome.com/store, and you'll participate in a free 5-day challenge to get your store up and running in no time. So go there or just continue watching this video. And by the way, this isn't just for physical products either. Shopify can help you sell digital goods as well. Anyway, let's dive in. First of all, I want you to get the best deal possible. So if you go to smartpassiveincome.com/Shopify, you'll get placed here. And then all you have to do is click on Start on Shopify for free. You get your first 3 days free, and then pay $1 a month for the first 3 months, which is pretty cool. So just click on that button there and put in your email. And here you'll see your special deal, 3 days free, then 3 months for $1 per month. From here, you could just subscribe for $1. I'm going to fast forward past this process for you. And to start out, I'm just going to try basic, although you can upgrade over time as you need to. Don't need a point of sale. I'm not doing any business in person. And I'm going to click Sell Digital Products Online. Here we go. Now, what I love about the current Shopify, I've been on Shopify for a while and it's changed over the years, but it really walks you through the process now of what to build and how to build it, right? I could add my first digital product really easily right here. We'll do that in just a minute. But I want to choose my store design and pick a theme. So I'm just going to click Choose Theme. And you'll notice here on the right-hand side, there's sort of a AI type of thing going on, a chat window where Shopify is telling me exactly what's going on. So if I want more information or if I have any questions, I could just ask here. But for the sake of this example, let's say that we're doing like crochet products, like crochet design. So I'm going to go crochet and just see if there's anything here that's already in that realm. And look at that. I literally typed one word and it's given me a number of different examples or different kind of themes or skins for a website that I could use. And it's even included some copy as well. Crochet Unleashed, On the Street, Elevate Your Accessory Game. I'm going to click this one. I like the bright colors, but the crochet I want to do is animal crochet. So just for fun for this example, we're going to do animal crochet. Now, I can't edit this yet, but I could try it out and I can always change it later, of course. So let's just click Try Theme down here at the bottom. All right, and now it's drafted. It isn't published yet, and I don't mind hitting publish if I wanted to because, I mean, I don't have an address for this yet. I'll get that in just a moment, but nobody's going to see it yet. But I do want to edit it first and just change a few things here. Again, you can always change this stuff later. Now, first of all, I'm going to remove this chat window because I don't quite need help right now. But this is where you can add or change or even remove sections here. You have your header, which is the section that's highlighted here at the top. If I scroll down, you have the sections below. Here are the featured products, for example. There's the featured collection grid here, and the footer, which is the bottom of the website. If I scroll down, you'll see different sections here. So if you have other things that you want to do, like include social media handles, I can just click, for example, Add Section, Policies, and Links. And here is social media links right here. So if I wanted to do facebook.com/deeppocketmonster, not that that would be related to crochet, but you can see it just added it right down there for me, which is pretty cool. And I'm going to go up and just change a few things with the copy. The craziest animal crochets ever. And that's not really a picture that goes along with that, but that's okay. You get the idea. You can update this over time. Don't worry about these exact products because we're going to worry about the products in just a moment. But this is where you can start to decorate your website and change sections out. I would recommend putting a little bit of a bio in here as well so people know who they are buying from, especially if you have a personal brand. All that kind of stuff is important, but make sure you always hit save so that it does save your latest progress. Now, I'm going to hit publish so we can actually go visit this on the website. I'm going to hit publish. All right, and let's just click View Store to see what happens. And there we go. Our website is already up and running, which is awesome. Now, I'm going to go back, and I'm going to start adding some products. So let's go up here to Products. You'll see 4 that are already there that were on the website as an example. Now, of course, we don't want these. We're going to add some new products, and I can remove those later. But since they're there as placeholders, I can always replace them or just add a new product and then change them out. So I'm going to click Add Product. First up, your product needs a title. And this is, of course, what it is that you are selling. You can include other things in there if you'd like. I'm going to call this product the Thumb Devil, and a description. Next, you'll need to upload some photos. And obviously, this is very important. You want to upload a few photos so that there's, just other things to look at. So I'm going to include some photos here. There we go. The price, I'm going to set this as $10. And I'm going to say that I have 50 in store right now. Shipping, this is where you can actually, if you don't have a physical product, you can turn this off, of course. But if it is a physical product, you want to have, for example, the box size and the product weight. This helps especially when you are shipping these items out. I'm not going to get too deep into the shipping component of this, but Shopify can help make it so easy for you, especially when it comes to shipping items and inventory and keeping track of all this. Getting addresses, printing out labels, all that stuff is very, very simple in Shopify, especially once you get started. We're not going to dive into that now. There's plenty of content on YouTube here and Shopify's knowledge base to help you do that. And things are always improving over time. So again, I'm not going to get right into that here, but there might be some more later. So be sure to subscribe. Now, you can include variants as well. Maybe there's a brown one in other colors, things like that. And I think that's all I'm going to do for now. So I'm going to hit save. Now the product is created. So let's preview this on a website to see what this product looks like. Here we go. I got my images for scale. This is indeed a diglet without a nose. My wife has been crocheting those. The Thumb Devil, this crochet Thumb Devil with brown yarn and a gray base plus 2 beady eyes. If I add this to cart, there it is. It's already in the cart. You can see how quickly and easily you can get this done. Now, if I go to catalog, you're going to see those 5 products there, and these ones are sold out. You can change things so that things that are sold out aren't shown on here. Now, one of my favorite parts about Shopify are the different kinds of apps that you can connect with it, right? These are third-party products that you can use to enhance everything that you're doing. You can create affiliate program, for example, promote affiliate, and then you can sign up from there. Let's say you want to have sort of video features. Here, there are 1,294 related video type of things. Video slider, reel up. Again, Reelify. You can look at a lot of these things being used on YouTube for people who have these stores and have these things integrated already. So again, I'm not going to go into that, but it goes pretty deep. But don't get overwhelmed. You want to start out simple, start out easy, and just take it one product at a time. Now, one thing that also Shopify makes really easy is creating discounts. So if you are working with influencers, for example, and you want to have coupon codes so that they can use it, or maybe you have seasonal stuff going on so that you can offer a little discount for a period of time, you can go to discounts here and create a discount, for example, an amount off of products. You can have, hey, if you buy this, you get that. You can have an amount off of orders and free shipping over a certain dollar amount, right? Offer free shipping on an order. I'm going to create discount. This one will be for $5 off. So let's do discount code 5 off. That's going to be the code. Let's do $5 off. It applies to specific products, only the Thumb Devil. All right, so you can get $5 off your Thumb Devil if you apply that coupon code. So let's hit save. And if I grab this shareable link here, this actually automatically creates that discount code when a person goes to that link. For example, let's go here. Let's paste that. There we go. Add to cart. $5 off already applied when they add to cart. So they have to click add to cart to do that. I'm going to hide this bar. And I can click into these pictures as well. So cute. All right. And that is how you can get started building your store. And again, you can always improve over time. You don't have to have it perfect right out of the gate. But if you have a built-in audience already, just start with one minimum viable product, and then you can build out your solutions from there. Now, if you did want to offer a digital product, I'm going to show you that really quick because that's something that a lot of people don't know that you can do on Shopify. So let's dive in and let's pretend that I had a crochet handbook or something that was a PDF file that I wanted to upload and sell for $5. Well, let's go ahead and upload it to the store. I'm going to click Add Product. This is going to be Crochet Like the Pros. This is my 50-page PDF guide on how to crochet like a pro. Let's upload. I'm just going to upload. I could just use Canva really quick to create something. And there is my Canva created logo right there. Ebook in books. Okay. This is not a physical product, so I clicked that off, and that is really important here, right? Let's do $5. And there we go. 50-page PDF. I think we're ready to go. Now, I could add some more tags and other things, especially once I get going with a lot of different products and I wanted them to be sorted. I wanted the audience and the website to be organized in a way where people could find other things. Again, those things can be updated and changed over time. But let's save this and let's get a preview of it. And there you go. Crochet Like a Pro sold out because I put no inventory. Let me go back there because that was a mistake. Let's go to inventory. Where are you at? Inventory doesn't need to be tracked because it is a digital product. So now, as soon as I save that, let's go back and refresh and add to cart. Now I have both of them, the Thumb Devil and the Crochet Like the Pros discount. What was the discount? 5 off. Apply. There we go. Check out. Boom. Ready to go. And then as a shop owner, you will get notified when you get a sale, and then you can fulfill that and get all the information for shipping. If it's digital, you can just send them a link, and I believe there's a way to do that automatically here as well, but we're not going to get into those automations right now. I don't want to overwhelm you. All you need to know is that it is very, very easy to get started, and building a full-on website like this just took minutes, which is amazing. So again, if you just want these steps delivered to your inbox and participate in our 5-day challenge, because I'll send you an email for 5 days straight. In order to do this, all you have to do is go to smartpassiveincome.com/store, and you can join that 5-day challenge. I bet you could do it. And many, many more are building their businesses from scratch, just like you right now. So be sure to go at it, get it done, and good luck. Thank you so much. Thank you to Shopify, and I'll see you in the next video.